Okay, yeah, so this part we understood in the last class that whatever is the number of degrees, so the zeros would be the maximum number of zero would be equal to that. So if we have a quadratic polynomial, so there would be two zeros, right? Okay, so and then we understood about the graphical. Yeah, so then we understood about the graphical representation of zeros of the point. So it says that whatever, yeah, it says that if we have this px which is behaving like this, so the number of points at which this px cuts this x-axis, so that would give you the number of the zeros, right? So this was the thing that we understood. And after that, we understood about the relationship. So first, we understood about the quadratic equation or quadratic polynomial. The quadratic polynomial has two roots, alpha and beta, and the general form of the quadratic polynomial was ax squared plus bx plus c, and quadratic equation was this zero, right? Where a, b, and c are the coefficients and the constants of the quadratic polynomial or equation. And when we write, so when we want to write this quadratic equation using this zeros, right? Then we write the zero as this one, right? So this is the sum of the zero, and this is the product of the zero. And by comparing these two things, we understood that the sum of the zeros, this is given by minus b by n, and product of the zero is c by n. So all these things we understood, right? Okay, so this was the thing in the polynomial chapter. This is the whole polynomial chapter, that right, everyone? Am I missing something else?
No, sir.
Okay, so cubic polynomial I have not talked about. That we can discard because that is not. So now let us do the questions that. And this we have done so many times, right? That is why we are practicing these again. So it might get boring. Yeah, but all for the practices and revision purposes. So find the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 3 and minus 4 respectively. So zeros are given, right? So alpha and beta, these are given. So alpha is 3, beta is minus 4. And then we have to find out the quadratic polynomial. So that would be, quadratic polynomial would be how much? X square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta. So this would be how much? X square minus, yeah, so then x square minus 3 minus 4, which is minus 1, and then minus 12. Right, 3 into minus. This is x squared plus x minus right, guys. So this was the first question equation. Now you guys do this second question. So all of you guys try this second question and then tell me the answer. So alpha and beta are the zeros of a polynomial such that alpha plus beta is given, right? And alpha into beta is given. So this is a very tough question, right? Sorry to ask you, but please do this part and tell me what would be. Oh, I have a. Oh, you will come back in 3 minutes. Okay, okay, sure, Ashwin. Yeah. So what is the equation or the polynomial, guys? What is the polynomial? So we will start with the basic one, right? Yes, everyone. What is the polynomial? Yes. Shoaib has gone for some minutes. Yes, the rest of you guys. Answer of this question. Very simple.
Sir, the polynomial is x squared minus 6x plus 4.
So sorry to ask you these kind of questions, right? But we have to start with the simple one. Yes, there is one. You
Yeah,
were saying
yeah, same thing, sir. I was going to say the same thing.
same.
Thingy, GY.
Yeah, same
Same thingy.
thingy.
Yes.
Okay, so thing. Okay, yes, Tala, Ashid, Aman. Shoaib is not here. Aisha has not joined. Yes, guys, you can write same in the chat box, right? Or if you have not, I guess all of you guys have got this question. Yes, everyone. Rest of you guys, Talha, Hashid, Amar, same. Okay, whose voice was it? I guess this was Amar, right? Yes.
That was me, Hashim.
Oh, okay. So it appeared very faint, right? That's right. Yes, Talha, Amar, and Shoaib, if you are around, so say 3 minutes. I guess 3 minutes are over. Yes, everyone. This is a simple question, right? Why are you guys? And your class assessment has also been active. Yes, Tala. Did you get the answer? See, okay. Yes, Tala.
So actually, I have guessed also.
Huh? Yes.
I have guessed also. I'm not sure.
Yeah, I cannot hear you properly. So what you're saying? You are saying you have guessed? Yes. So now you can. What are you saying? So what can you tell me? What is the answer? Oh, you are at a guess. So you don't have copy with you, right? Okay. Then yes. And Amar, what about you? Same. Good. Okay. So now moving on to the next question, right? All the questions are necessary, right? Whether they are easy one or whether they are difficult ones. So, okay. So what question is that? Third one we can. Yeah. So the third question, based on the same principle, right? So we have a polynomial which is function of y, and this is 2y squared plus 7y plus 5. And we have to find out what is alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. This we have to find out. So again, everyone, please do this calculation. And you guys have done this in the revision class also. So this is the third or fourth time we are revising this kind of question. Aisha is not here and Talha is at guest house. So should not disturb Talha. Yes, everyone, please calculate and yeah. One. Yes, guys, what the answer?
So finally,
Fine.
I mean doing so.
All these questions we have done, right?
Sir, the answer is -1.
So -1.
Oh, so minus
Me first,
one.
I first. Come on.
Yeah, so Shaima said it first, right?
Why? I don't remember.
Oh, yeah. So then you have said, sorry, boss, you have said it first.
Hmm.
Yes, Hashid, Amar, and Shwe. And if you guys have, yeah, so this is a doubt slash revision class. So if one of you guys have any doubts in the question, please don't hesitate to ask. Right? No hesitation policy. Terms and conditions apply. Ashit has also got minus one. What are you currently watching these days, Ridwan? Shoaib and Aman, both have got minus. Okay, good. Yeah. So then I should not. Yeah. What we needed to find out sum of the zeros, product of the zeros, using A, B, and C, and then just put these values in there, right? So, uh, did any of you guys solve this equation, or you did it with the? So you guys didn't solve this equation, right?
Sir, I solved it.
Oh, so we have to use this simple. No need to solve this equation, right? You know that alpha plus beta is
Yes, yeah, that thing.
minus
Minus
7 by
B by A. Yeah,
and
minus B by A and C.
5 by 2. So we just have to find this thing, right?
Yeah, those things.
So then we just put these values.
Yeah. Then we get minus 2 by 2.
So both are correct. If you solve that, both are correct. But why do the extra things, right? Okay. So yeah. So then good, everyone. Yes. Now, if one of the zeros right here, the zero. Oh, yeah. This question. Yeah, this question is not the polynomial case because if one zero of the polynomial is 2 plus 3, right? Write the other zero. So to do that, we have to let's say that this is the polynomial. Px is x square minus 4x plus 1. And we have got x equal to 2 plus root 3 as one of the zeros, which means that there would be a factor which is x minus 2 minus root 3. So this is the factor of this equation. So if we divide this equation by this, then we'll get the other. So this part, the division of these division algorithm of polynomial, we have not done, which means that this is not. Yeah. So then the next question: find the value of p for which one root of the quadratic equation is 6 times the other. Yeah, this one is a good question. So please solve this fifth question, everyone. Find the value of p for which one root of the quadratic equation. Let's say we have one root as alpha. So the other root is 6 times the other. So the other root is 6 alpha. So you guys have these two roots, right? Then you have to find out, find the value of p for which one root. So then you have to find out the value of p, right? This is the equation. This is given, which means that you can calculate sum of the zeros, product of the zero, compare them, calculate them, then we get to the zero. So I have provided you with the hints, but I should do that because we are doing this. Maybe fourth time we are doing this. So please do that. And tell me the answer, guys. And if there is any problem with the question, please feel free to ask that. Yes, guys, what is the answer that you guys are getting?
So we need to find the value of P, right?
Yeah, P we have to find out. So for that, we need also this alpha or yeah.
Oh,
So P is 3.
P is the okay, okay. Harshit has also got and yeah. So if you guys have any doubts, you can, right?
say 3.
Who also got Wave also got and Amar, what about and Talha, did you understand this question? Amar also got Good. Yes, Talha, did you understand this problem? So you cannot, don't have any paper and pen with you, right?
What's it?
Talha. So Talha is at his guest house. Oh, they are guests in your house, or you are at the. Oh, yes. I am at a guest's house. Oh, so you are the guest, right? When you went, when you go to somewhere, so then you are the guest, right? So, okay, yeah. So in this question, what we needed to do that alpha plus beta, that is 7 alpha. This is 14 by, right? And alpha into beta. So alpha into beta is 6 alpha square. That is 8 by 3. Right? And then we can put the value of alpha from here. So this is 2. So alpha is 2 by. So alpha square 6 into 2 by p square. This is 8 by 3. So then we can write this as 6 into 4 by p square and 8 by p. You have a doubt in question from this chapter? Good. So from the NCRT or from this assignment or somewhere else?
NCRT.
NCRT. Okay, good. Yeah. So that is the purpose. Good. So that we can. So then we will be good, everyone. Yeah. So what is the doubt? Good. Shai. What exercise?
4.2.
First exercise doesn't have any meaning, right? Which question? Which
See, this is
question?
the first. Okay, I have a doubt from the quadratic equation chapter.
Oh, quadratic equation. That we also can do, right? Quadratic equation. Yeah. And 4.0, you said 4.0. Yeah. Point. Twenty-two, 50, right? I should fix it. Yeah, which question?
Sorry, the first question, third subdivision.
First question, third, right? This one. So find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization. Okay, so 5 root 2 and so which means that we have 10 as a 10 we have to factorize, right? Right, Sham?
Yes, sir.
And the factors of 10, so 5 and 2, right? Which means that and we have to get 7. So 5x plus 7x, 2x. So these would be the factors, right? So this would be root 2x square plus if I write 2x in here, then I can take common. So whichever way, you can also take 5 in here. So let's take 5x plus 2x and plus 5, right? Then only x is common in the first place, so root 2x plus 5, and then root 2 and 2. So you can take root 2 common. So root 2x plus 5. This is 0, so you have root 2x plus 5 and x plus root 2. So then this is 0, so you have root 2x minus 5 and x equals to minus. So this is x is minus 5 by root 2, which is minus 5 root 2 by 2. These are the two values, right? Yeah. So what was the doubt in this question, Shaima?
The factors of 10.
Oh, factors of 10. So we have to get 7, right? And multiplication would be 10. So both the things we are put, right? Yeah. So did you get this part? 5 into, right? Yes, Shaima.
Yes, sir.
So good. Yes, everyone. Yeah. So please, whenever you get any doubts from anywhere, please ask. Right. Which means that you guys are solving the question by yourselves. Why did I become? Yeah. So now let us do the next question. So you are revising the quadratic equation portion. Good. Shai.
No, sir, I randomly came across that question.
Oh, yeah. So randomly you were looking at those questions and then okay, yeah. So yeah, that is also a good thing. You randomly select some question, and if you see that if you are able to do some problems, or not. That is also a way of revising, right? Good. Yeah, the sixth problem is also good. So please try this question. So two roots are given. Alpha is given or x equals to 2 by 3, right? Sixth problem, x is 2 by 3 and x is minus 3. And we have to find out, this is the equation, and these are the solution of this equation. So we have to find out A and B, right? So please do this question and tell me what would be A and B, right? What do we mean by zeros of the polynomial? So these are zeros, right? Money. Yes, and Talha, for you, so if you have any doubt in the question that we are discussing, so please ask that, right? Because you can only listen, right? So then in that situation, you please ask if you have any doubts. Guys, all of you guys are, or you, all of you guys got over with those exams, right? Now you guys
Yes.
can, yeah, now you guys can relax for a bit and then revise all the portions. Only two chapters are remaining. Area related to circle, surface area volume. So then this uh, syllabus or the whole book will become. And we have also revised or we have also done some, not some, but all the different kinds of questions. All these questions are previously asked in the board exams. That is
Sir, A
why
is 3 and B is -6.
A is what?
3.
3. So one more answer I have got of wave and that is E and their minus. Yes, everyone. Rizwan, Ashif, Amar.
Sir, 3 comma -6.
So you were waiting for me to ask the answer.
No, I was not waiting. I was doing just now. I finished. Not waiting.
Mhm. Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Hmm.
Okay, so he copied from. Oh, yeah. You copied from Shoaib.
I don't copy.
Yeah,
Hmm.
so Shoaib is telling me that you have copied from.
That fat guy.
Hey, Ashif, you only got 3. What about this B? I guess. Yeah. Amar, what about you? Or did you understand, or you did not understand the question? Mark. Yes, Amar. You want me to? Oh, you are not sure. Good. So that is also yeah, right. So we know that these x are the solutions of this equation, which means that if I put x equals to 2 by 3, then I'll get a 0, right? So we have to put those two values, right? So then if you put x equals to 2 by 3, so this would be a, and 2 by 3 square plus 7 2 by 3 plus b equal to 0. So this is 4a by 9 plus 14 by 3 plus b equals to 0. So if we take the LCM, this is 9, this is 4a plus this is 3. So how much is 43 then? Yeah. So my table is not good. So this is 9b and then this is 0. So which means that we have got this equation 4a plus 9b plus 42 equals to 0. So this is 4a plus 9b minus 42. So this is one equation that we are getting, right? And these has, so a and b, there are two unknowns, which means that we need one more equation. So the second equation we will get from here, right? So the second equation would be a minus 3 square plus 7 minus 3 plus b equals to 0. So 9a minus 21 plus b equals to 0. So 9a and plus b equal to y. There are different. Yeah. So 21 equals to 0. Right. So this is the second equation that why am I writing? This is the first equation. This is the second equation. So then we have this one and right, and we have to make the coefficients same. So which means that we have to multiply 9 into this equation and yeah, that is everything. So if we multiply 9 to this equation, so this would be 81a plus 9b, and this is 9 and this one, and this is 4a plus 9b equal to minus 42. So then this is plus, this would be how much? 7, 7a, and this is 11, 2, and yeah, oh, and then 2. So this is the equation that we get. So a would be 231 by 77. So 11 sevens are 11 twos are 11 ones. So 7 3. So a we will get 3 and b, which is the simpler one. Yeah. So 9a plus b is 21. So 9 into 3 plus b is 21. So b would be 21 minus 27. So minus. So as everyone got, so a equals to 3, b equals to minus. So did you understand this part, Amar? Yes, Amar.
Sir, we can do it by using alpha plus beta equals negative b by a and alpha beta equals c by a also.
Oh, yeah, good. Okay, so did I use the wrong method? Yeah, so alpha
Yes.
plus beta. Yeah, of course. Oh, good, good. Yeah, so then we have to, then we don't need this, right? Oh, good. Alpha is 2 by 3 and beta is minus. So then alpha plus beta, this would be 2 by 3. Yes, of course. Good. That is a simpler way, right? Yeah. So minus 7 by 3. And this is equal to, so minus 7 by 8. So this is minus 7 by 3. So A would be yes. Good. Oh, so all of you guys have tried this method. Yes. Yes, guys.
Yes, sir,
Yes,
that
sir.
method.
Oh, this
Tiny
method you have
method.
tried.
Mm.
Yeah, this one is simple method. Good. Good. Okay, and to find out B, so we have to take the product. So this would be alpha into beta, which is 2 by 3 into minus 3. So this is minus 2, and alpha into beta is B by 3, right? This is minus 2. A is 3, so minus 2 into 3 is 5. Yes, this is more simple. So in this way, we can also do this question as Shaiva and Tufan. Any method we can choose, but this one is simple, right? Good. Yes, Amar, did you understand this method also? Who got disconnected? Talha. Yeah, are you noting it down? Amar, did you note it down? Yes. Amar, did you note it down? Or just you understood about the methods? Yes, do you want to note it down? Oh, you have noted it. Good. So, yeah, and this is very, very good, Amar. Whenever you face any doubts, right, then just ask those questions. Okay, then what is the next question? Such that 0, then find the value of C. Good, yeah, so this one is the same question as the previous one. So please do this question, right? So there are B and C, two ones, right? So please such that alpha plus 1 and beta plus 1 is 0. Then find the value of so please do this seventh question, everyone. So this is given that x square minus px plus 1 and plus c equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation and whose roots are alpha and beta. Then it is also given that alpha plus 1 and beta plus 1. This is 0. So then we have to find out what is this. So please do this question and I will also send you some homeworks. So yeah, and again, so if you face any doubts, problem, then please ask me that. Yeah, what is the answer you guys are getting to see? So we just have to simplify this one.
C equals -1.
Equals to -1. It has joined, the beta is also joined. Which means that we have to
Assalamualaikum sir.
yes, walaikum salam, walaikum salam.
Evening, sir.
Oh, good evening, Tejasvi. Oh, yes, everyone. So alpha plus beta is how much? P, and alpha plus beta is oh, so alpha into, so minus one. So Harshit is also getting minus. Yeah. So alpha plus beta is how much? That is P, right? And alpha into beta. So that is P plus C by 1. This is P by 1. So P plus C, right? Oh,
So it's -P.
yeah, negative P, right? In here, this is negative. This is negative. So this is negative. This is cancelling. This is P plus 1. It is 0. So this is minus. Okay, so yeah, we'll stop it here, and then in the next class we will continue from here, right? Yes, Rizwan, yes, Shaiba, Ashif, Amar, Vivek. So
Yes, sir.
Yes,